Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Natalie. Today I'm going to season pork meat first. I want to cook spaghetti with creme fraiche. So I'll put all my seasoning here. I have my chicken bouillon, basil, garlic, ginger, salt, and onions. I'm going to mix it all up and marinate it for 1 hour before I'll start cooking. My pork meat was marinating for more than an hour, so now I'm cutting it so that I can fry it. Now I have my pan here. I'm going to start frying it. I'm adding a bit of coconut oil. We have the meat to fry. Oh, the flavor. I'm going to fry the pork meat until it turns golden brown. That's the color I'm looking for. So it's still cooking and frying. While waiting for the meat to cook, I'll start boiling my spaghetti. To do fashion way spaghetti. Mine, I do it like this. As long as it can cook, I'm fine. This spaghetti is in now. My meat is coming up, and all the oil from the pork meat is coming out. I'm loving the color already. And the smell is amazing. The seasoning and the coconut onion. I can't wait to dig in. Okay, my meat is done. I lay paper towel in my plate, then I'll put all the meat on it to soak the oil. Yeah, Now I have my cooking pan, and I'll add my creme fraiche. I'll let it boil for 2 minutes, then I'll add the rest of the ingredients. I'm adding my Maggi seasoning 1, my grated onions, and I'll add my fried pork meat. That's why it's good to add paper towel. It soaks all the oil out. Yeah. Now mix all up. Let it cook for 5 minutes, and the spaghetti will go in. Now I'm going to add my spaghetti. Ooh, it's creamy. I'll mix all up. Now I'll add my red pepper to just give a color. Now allow it to soak the cream in for 2 minutes. And we'll be done. My creamy spaghetti is done. It's ready. It's ready. I can't wait to dig in. Okay, let's serve it. My creamy pasta, spaghetti, whatever you want to call it, is done. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. Take care of yourself. Bye. Bye bye.